Good day. Today we're going to work with our little babies. They just turned 3 weeks. They're starting already to eat on their own. And what I do is that once they start listening and hearing, that their hearing it's there, it's basically they're aware of everything that's going around. I start with introduction of big loud sound noises. And after that, I feed them. So they relate the noise with something positive. So here we're going to see our video on this. I hope you enjoy it.
Ground beef. Here. Yes. Good boy.
I start to feed them at 2.5 weeks more or less. I sit down with them. They learn to grab the food from my hands. I put a big plate with the growl I mix. That growl has goat's milk, has puppy food, has cottage cheese, has yogurt, a little bit of honey, and ground beef raw. So they learn to eat on this gruel first. I start this so that they can understand that how to eat on the plate. This is very important. They like to lick my fingers, that's why I put my hands into it. Basically, this is very important.
A couple of times.
Then I do start, once they're eating, I do start the noise work. And they do assimilate the noise with a positive
With no problem.
outcome on it.
I'm not scared. They get accustomed to noises. And they see the noise has a reward. After they hear it, they associate that.